This week we are working on glued sounds. Now, glued sounds are like a chunk that we put together, usually in the NG family and or the NK family. Now, all of the parts of the chunk do make a sound, but it is awkward to try to tap them out, so we're going to chunk them as we tap. So we're going to go through just the different glued sounds that we have. We have ANG, like hang, and we would tap this going ang. We grab that chunk because it's just easier and it's less awkward. So we want students to be able to identify these glued sounds. So we have hang, or we have ing, like wing. Strong, like we see the ONG in strong. Oh, then I see a UNG in stung. Again, it would be ung. We are grabbing that glued sound. So those are our NG glued sounds. And then we'll move on to our NK glued sounds. So we have UNK like dunk. Then ONK like honk. Then INK like wink. So it goes ink. And then ANK ank like in bank. Again, if we're tapping these like bank, it's going to go b-ank. So our goal with this for students is that they identify the glued sounds when they're reading. They say, oh, that says ONG, it's going to say ong. And then it almost is easier for them to read the words. When writing, we will practice this a lot and a lot because it is hard for students to hear the n in these sounds. So we would just practice and make sure that they hear the n in these sounds. Again, these are glued sounds. We're going to chunk them together. And I hope that is helpful for you. Red words, please practice those red words at home along with reading some glued sounds and spelling a couple different ones.